Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install YouTube on Xiaomi TV. Really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, you need to have the Google Play Store. Okay, if you don't have this, just turn on your TV, press the home button, go to your home screen, and then go ahead and search. Click on the search button. You want to use the remote to search for Google Play Store. Okay, search for this. We can also search for CH Play, which is basically the Google Play Store, the Xiaomi version for that country. Now, what you're gonna do now is go ahead and open up your Play Store, log into the CH Play account or Google Play Store, and then you want to go ahead and search for YouTube. Okay, you most likely see it as well on your home screen when you're searching for the apps to download. Just download the app, and after the download is complete, you'll see the icon of the YouTube app appear on the main screen right here. You can also go ahead and add this to your favorites tab. So you just click on the app, and then you can go ahead and log in and use the app. So you can also put it as favorites right here for easy access. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.